Hello everyone, this is Group 469 Forensics project. We are group forensic members. We are showing the project demo for a final project. We have coded this using Python, and my teammate Akhil will be explaining the demo of the project.
Okay, so myself Akhil, and I'll be providing through the demo of the 469 project, which is implementing a chain of custody using blockchain. And we have used Python programming language in this because we have had experience using the Python language, and it is easy to implement and easy to read and stuff. So first of all, we'll use the Python init command, which basically checks if there is any blockchain file, and if there's no blockchain file, it will create an initial block, which is nothing but the Genesis block. Now we'll be moving on to the add command. For this add command, we'll provide a case ID and a unique item ID, which is nothing but the evidence ID and a creator and the password. After using this, basically we could add a new block to the blockchain. So basically you could see the added item ID and the status of the added block will be checked in. And you can also see the time of action, and it will just print out a statement like added new block just to confirm for the user. Now we could move on to checkout item. So for this command, we need to provide a unique item ID number and password if possible. So what happens is that after we check out the item, the status of the previously added block will be changed to checked out now. And this will be created as a whole new block, and it won't have any effect on the previous block. So right now we have 3 blocks in the whole blockchain, which is the initial block from the init command and the checked in block from the second command, and the third block is from the checked out command. Now that we are checked out, we can check in again. So for that, this command is used. We again need to provide the unique item ID also. So as you can see from this print statement, it is checked in again. Now we can move on to remove. This essentially removes the item from the blockchain and changes the status of the block to destroyed. As you can see here, the status is changed to destroyed, and we can also see the removed item and the case ID of the item also. And you can see the time of action. And moving on, we can move to show cases command, which essentially shows all of the cases that were used in this blockchain demo. And for now, we only use one case. So the only case will be displayed over here. As you can see, this is the only case we have used. And we can move on to show items, which shows all the items associated with a particular case ID. And you can see for this case ID, only this item is associated with it. And finally, we could move on to show history. So for this history, let's say if we provide a case ID and an item ID, it will show all the actions that were performed on this case ID and item ID. So as you can see, we initially added the block. That's why its status is checked in. And then we checked out, and then we checked in again, and then we removed it. So basically it changed the status to destroy. Now we can move on to verify. And this is the last one. If there is any problem with the verify, it will automatically exit. And as you can see, there's no problem with the blockchain file. So that's why the command processed. And yeah, this is your group demo. And thank you.